I'm Nandi Bushell, and I decided to learn this song because I had a school competition and I really wanted to win, so I chose the hardest drum song that I knew. I had also watched the film Whiplash and I was inspired by that, and I thought, wow, maybe I could give it a go. And this is a sheet music of about 7 pages. It took about 3 months to learn. I tried my best. I'm going to be performing Caravan here on Drumeo. you got to the end of this video, thank you for watching. And I want to say that when I first looked at the sheet music, it was really long and intimidating. I didn't know if I was going to be able to do it. But with hard work and dedication, I got to this point and I managed to do it. If you're a beginner and you want to start learning the drums, click the link below to find Drumeo's new course, Getting Started on the Drums. So practice, 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 have lots of fun and don't give up.